talk about choices. Everyone likes to have a lot of choices, kind of like going into that buffet. But let's talk about how too many choices can actually break down our consistency. We know that consistency is the key, and we know that once kids know what's coming from every adult, they tend to be able to police themselves. But when you give too many choices, it becomes stressful, believe it or not. Really stressful. Like I said earlier, walking into a buffet, if I've got 15 different kinds of lettuce, I'm already stressed before I even get to the other side of the buffet. So there may be a time when our choices need to be this, or maybe just this, and take all of those extra choices away so that kids can actually settle down. Yeah, they might get mad and say, oh, I want to do this instead. Well, these are your two choices. And believe it or not, that kind of consistency, when we take a little more control back, will help them to be able to do that for themselves later on. So they're not constantly in a quandary of making decisions because they've allowed themselves too many choices. So we all know how that can feel. So if you want to look at consistency a little bit heavier, a little bit harder, a little deeper lens, think about how many choices you might be giving.